What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We actually recently picked up Bob's trailer last night. Shout out to Bob. Thank you for letting us borrow the trailer for the track event, the Easy Knuckles event on Sunday. So right now I am gonna go to Dallas's house and I'm pretty sure they're prepping, and then our boys from Overdue, Kyler and whoever else is coming, I don't know. But yeah, they're gonna start wiring Dallas's fans so his car could run pretty good, hopefully. To the ones that ordered mirror visors, they are on pre-orders now. They will come within 3 to 4 weeks, but I will update you guys on that. But thank you for pre-ordering, and yeah, whipping the daily today. The bay is inside, but yeah, I'm gonna head over to Dallas's right now, and then I'm gonna see what we're gonna be doing. He recently cut his air filter off for it to be shorter because something with his AFR gauge was going off, and I think it got a little bit better. His idle got actually way better than before. Just got to Dallas's. My dumbass forgot to charge the camera, so I'll see you guys after I charge it. But right now, our homie Rob picked up this sick ass GS Slam Live, static live. But hell yeah, I'm about to charge the camera right now, but say hi to the homies. Hey. Fuck you guys. Yeah, I guess it's just still depressed like always. They're raising it because it's way too low.
Well, no, there's no such thing as too low, but like when it's your own car, you could be that low because you know what's done.
Yeah, but this is Rob's car.
No, this is... We don't know who the fuck built this bitch.
No, but I'm saying it is Rob's car.
And I'm gonna set the preload correct.
Yeah, so it could be better. But anyways, yeah. I'll see you guys when I charge the camera. My dumb ass. Oh! We back! He necked you? That sounds so gay. Back. We just charged the camera. Kyler's here, or Kyle.
I just came here.
Kyle's
for no
here.
Reason, dude.
I'm here for some Taco Bell.
Basically, it was.
Well, Kyler's here. His car's over there. Hey, let's go for a test run.
Okay, this one works. Yeah, we fixed it.
We're putting gas in because it's fucked. You suck. You're gonna break my bike. What are you doing? You don't got it? You don't got it? It's dying, dude. Oh shit! So right now we're adding more grounds to Dallas's motor. And what are you doing, Kyler?
Making fans work.
Oh yeah, the fans. He tested out one, so only one of them's gonna work right now?
Oh, they're to both work, my dude. I think.
Let's hope so.
I drink shit.
Then he's gonna ground it to the tree. And we got the fans.
I don't know how we heat it, so maybe.
Maybe. Oh, Kyler is about to see. Open it. Or not.
One at a time.
He's gonna see if
What kind of jank shit we doing up in here.
the fans work. Before only one was working. Actually, before none of them were working. And let's see if
Dallas didn't try.
see if Kyler actually got it.
Well, here's one.
The wiring man.
No, I'm fucking drunk. Here. Oh wait.
Oh. Bruh. Is that two? That's one?
And then the other one's this wire.
So I need another switch?
If you want to have two separate switches, yeah.
Or can you just make it to one switch?
You can. Yeah, you can. Just tap them together. Look, jank shit.
So Hoffman's fans are working. Now he needs to figure out what the fuck is going on with the AFR gauge.
Fuck this vlog. Dude, bitch, I could ride you for like 6 hours if you're trying to give me your ads.
What?
Talk to Jeremiah.
Welcome
What's
back.
up, guys?
Iceyyyboyz
We are gonna do a Q&A.
with no girls. Sadly,
We're doing a Q&A, and then
we ain't doing no Q&A.
Yeah, we are.
We doing a stand-up comedy show.
Alright, make them laugh then.
Yeah.
Look at Josh.
Show me your fat, faggot.
Alright, so behind us we have thy one white guy, thy one Vietnamese,
Yeah.
thy working on thy car. Yins is working.
And in front we have two guys.
1 cup.
Some bullshit.
Some bullshit.
And up front you got 2 guys, 1 camera. What you gonna do?
I'm fucking scared. Go.
Yeah, mine was bad.
Scared?
Yeah, go ahead.
If anything,
Dallas is testing it out with his Kyler's ECU and his
Rest in
intake.
peace, 1J.
Yeah, isn't that gonna be bad as fuck?
Nah, dude. Nah, you good.
We'll see.
You good, dog. You good. You good. You good.
We'll find out right now.
Mhm. Turn it off.
Jeez. What?
I was good.
The O-ring on the injector is
O-rings
leaking.
on the injector.
What? What is it?
It's the O-ring on the injecter.
Pretty sure. You think if I spray a lot on it, it'll idle?
It was going to 14 when you were spraying.
Are you serious?
That's the problem.
Well, we should try to find O-rings then. Get on it, dude. I mean, I guess we can do it at the track.
Damn.
Well, I guess we
Knew I should have fucking replaced those, dude.
I thought you replaced everything.
I did. That was the only thing I was gonna replace the dipstick O-ring because it comes in a package. All the injector O-rings and the dipstick.
Just JB out there.
And then it was 14.
Nah, dude, you can do this. Just fucking pop
He
the rail
went.
off.
He went, and it read 14.
No, you just
AFR.
pop the rail off, dude. It's like 3 bolts. You pop off the rail. You don't have to take off the whole manifold.
Where?
It's like these 3 bolts for the fuel rail. Whatever under.
Nah, but no, cause I took it off before, dude, and you can't get to it cause the harness and like everything is like in there, bro. And then cause this comes off of this, their studs extended past. They go through this.
Well, at least he found the problem.
Yeah, cause I painted it.
How do you feel, Gus?
I painted my fuel rail and everything. Alright, ready? Yep. Yep.
Yeah. Then when he stops, it's like 30, and then.
And then it's gonna die.
Yeah. What's he gonna do?
Put fucking silicone on it.
Ooh, that's hot.
Unless he wants to change it. That's fucking shitty, dude. He already figured that out, though, man.
Damn. At least he came to do his fans. That's good.
I'm just gonna take my ECU and go home.
Yeah, get the fuck out of here. I'm just kidding.
Nice.
What's up, guys? That'll probably be the end of the video. Hope you guys liked it, and we will be vlogging this Sunday at Grange for the Easy Knuckles drift event. So come through and say what's up to us, and I probably will be having some slaps, some stickers to hand out, and maybe banners, but not sure yet. But yeah, hopefully Dallas's car will be running a-okay. Shout out to Kyler for fixing his fans and finding out the problems for his AFR gauge and everything. Anyways, guys, if you guys like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe, guys. Thanks, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!